A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. You ever notice, say, summer we? Yeah, summer we. Very careful about where we eat and drink. But sometimes the words we come out of we, them not match up with how careful we want to be about where we eat and drink, and even about how clean we keep ourselves. Which one more important? Want to think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God or talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends them. And go ahead and click the subscribe button too and the notification bell to make sure so you no miss none of what I go on right as so. Today, I'm going to read from the Good News about Jesus as come to Mark chapter 7 from verse 1 to verse 23. Then some Pharisee and some of the law teacher them were come from Jerusalem gather up around Jesus. And them say some of Jesus follower them yam them food and they never wash their hand. Cause the Pharisee them, as a matter of fact, all of the Jew them, but yam till they wash their hand, cause them did follow hard the way all them father them used to live. And when they come in from market, they don't yam nothing till they make themselves clean as can to what they learn from them father them. And then keep enough other old time sitting. They wash cup, pot, kettle, and they sit where they sit on pan when they are going to yam them food. The Pharisee them and the law teacher them ask Jesus say, make you follow them, not do what the father them teach we for do. And yam and not wash their hand. Jesus answer them say, Isaiah the prophet did a talk truth when he write about YOU A hypocrite. Him write say, all them set of people a do a take them mouth, big me up. But in a them heart, them no want have nothing to do with me. And it don't make sense they worship me when them a teach man make rule, like say that a fi me rule. Cause they only teach the sitting them or man make up, like say a God law. Uno hang on to uno whole time sitting them, we come from uno father them. But uno no pay no mind to what God say uno fi do. And him say, uno think uno so smart that uno turn uno back pan where God say uno fi do and say it no matter so that uno can follow what uno father them say uno fi do. Cause Moses say, respect uno father and uno mother. And anybody we cuss out and disrespect them father and mother, kill them. But uno say that it alright if anybody tell him father or mother say, the help me coulda give uno, me don't give God already. That way they uno tap him from do what him shoulda do for him father and him mother. So uno use the sitting them when the father them say, for make God word come in like say it no mean nothing. And uno do enough more sitting like that. Then Jesus called the crowd one more time to come which part him did there. And said to them, say, all I want to listen me and understand this. Nothing where the outsider somebody can make them get dirty. Or what come out of them mouth make them dirty. After Jesus left the crowd and go in at the house, him follower them ask him, what the Tory mean? So him said to them, say, uno mean say uno really no get what me say? Uno no know say nothing when nobody eat can't make God write them off, say them dirty. Cause when them eat, no it go in at their heart, it go in at them stomach, and then it go in at the toilet. Jesus said this, for sure say, all food clean. So him say, are they sitting there may come out as somebody make them dirty and no clean in a God's eye. Cause inside of somebody heart, all kind of wickedness where people think up come from. People do all kind of sexing, thief, kill people, sleep with other people where they not married to. Wanty, wicked, tell lie, no business with no law, and broke every one of them. Ready eye, take them out, tear down other people, show off and full up all kind of foolishness. All of them sitting there, come out of somebody's heart and make them dirty and no clean in a God's eye. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.